Welcome back to the good, the bad, and the AI. Miles has 3 massive AI updates, and one of them will change everything you see online. First up, Google has just launched its smartest AI yet, Gemini 3.0. Here are the key benefits. Gemini 3.0 handles multi-step thinking far better than previous versions. This version can process much bigger conversations, documents, and videos. This upgrade can understand your questions much better, so answers are more accurate and helpful. Sora is about to launch its first public release, and this AI video tool could change everything. With Sora, anyone can create Hollywood-level video from a single sentence. Expect realistic videos without the need for cameras or editing. Sora transforms how creators make content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. As this tech is very powerful, there are real risks. That's why OpenAI will roll it out carefully. Finally, we wanted to share ChatGPT's latest updates and safety news. Due to huge demand to remove long dashes, ChatGPT have agreed to remove these and provide clearer, more direct answers. ChatGPT will no longer give health or legal advice. Guidance will now advise people to speak to qualified consultants. There has been a significant advancement in safety and accountability to prevent misuse, protect users, and make every action more transparent. That's it for today. Before we go, Miles wants you to hit subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone trying to make sense of today's fast-changing AI world.